Hi you guys, one more time we bring to you fried yam. This is how yam is like. So it's already cut to small pieces, and this is the balance of it. It's very big. So this is unfried yam. When you want to fry it, you can soak it with salt, or can even soak it with salt plus sugar, so that you have special taste to it. And now we have it fried, so it's ready, almost done. So the taste is better than normal French fries. So it's like fries to McDonald's or fries to normal French fries, but here is fried yam. It's very nice. You guys just have to try it, but it's a little bit expensive because it's imported and it's directly come from Africa. So this is going to be one of our African dishes. So you guys are welcome to order when we have it ready, or even when it's not ready, you guys can have a special order. You can order from our website, can also order from WhatsApp. Just give us a call, just give us a ring. We look forward to have you guys tasting it. See, it looks good. This is the second time we are sharing it online. The first time, you can go back to our Dt Cafe FB, Dt Cafe Shellout, where we eat it with egg stew. Here we are just gonna eat it just like that as a tidbits. Very nice. So this can be one of our santai set, but it's going to be under our African dishes. It's pretty good, isn't it? We use also special oil to fry it. We're using the red oil, or it's called palm oil. So this one is done. Get the oil out of it. I want you guys to see the texture of it after it's fried. So because when you look at the yam in the real sense, maybe everybody would say it's a tapioca, but when you see it after it's fried, it just looks like this. Look at the texture, how it looks like. It's different. So we are done frying. So you guys can try it or you can order it from us. So enjoy trying. Selamat mencuba. And enjoy the food. Bye.